Please turn your sound on to hear full explanations of our answers. Thank you. So the question is how to make money trading Forex. And the answer I got is, look, it's kind of, I mean, I presume you know how to make money using Forex in terms of, you know how the money is made. You buy and you sell. And if you're right, if you go long and the market goes up, then you win. If you go short and the market goes down, then you win. Otherwise, you lose. So I think you know those basics. But in terms of how to become a success at Forex, then it's really a twofold process. Okay, the first is you got to be dedicated and learn what you got to learn. And that's not just in the beginning when you don't know anything about Forex and you're reading a lot of books. It's also ongoing. You never stop learning if you want to be a successful Forex trader. That doesn't mean you have to study every day. That's not what it's about, but you never stop learning. So you got to be comfortable with acquiring a lot of knowledge, and you got to have an appetite for it, motivation for it. Be interested in what happens around the world events. If you watch financial news, then it's got to be interesting to you. It can't be like, and it will be, by the way, when you have money involved. But even if you had money involved in the markets and then you watch financial news and you find it boring, well, then maybe you should consider something else. But most people who trade Forex find all this kind of stuff very interesting, and I'm pretty sure that you will too, especially when your money's at stake. It's amazing how things that used to be boring suddenly become real interesting to you, okay? And the other thing is that you have to use self-discipline as well. This is very important because a lack of self-discipline is the worst enemy, okay, in Forex. And that's because you gotta trade. When you trade, you gotta have a reason to trade. You gotta have risk management in place. You basically gotta use logic in your trading. Never ever use your emotions or gut feeling or quote unquote instincts in your trading, because if you do that, you'll lose money. It's as simple as that. You won't be successful. You won't make profits. You'll actually lose money. So you gotta have the self-discipline to be logical. And those are the two elements you need to make money trading Forex. So I hope you found this video interesting. Listen, if you want to know more, I want to recommend a site to you. I'll put a link in the description box down below. It's to a site by one of the best traders around, a guy called Vladimir. Please check out what he has to say. He has a really great way of working, a really great system that he uses in the Forex markets. And he's given this system to other guys to use, and they've been able to be profitable and consistent and reliable in their profits by using it. And many of these guys that actually, were at their wits' end, were barely a hair's breadth away from bankruptcy, okay? And they've turned it around because they've followed Vladimir's advice and used his system. So this system works for anybody. It's not just if you've been broke. It'll work for anybody who wants to be profitable. So if you want to be successful, then please check it out. I think you'll benefit from it for sure. Just click the link to see it, and I'll see you soon in another video. Take care.